Mars Colony, Discoveries and Mysteries, Chapter 2, Part 2 New Horizons. The red soils of Mars took on an even more mysterious hue under the morning light. James and Lily studied the reports from Orion. New energy fluctuations were detected from ancient Martian structures 80 kilometers from the colony. These buildings were thought to contain remnants of an old civilization's energy systems. Lily said these structures could interact with our nanobots. But we must be careful, this area is completely unexplored. James nodded. Our goal is to control this energy and integrate it into the colony. But first, we need to explore. Robert and Emily, start energy analysis. Michael, secure the area. Ancient Martian ruins. The exploration team navigated between red rocks, encountering massive stone structures. Some were partially buried, others fully intact. Unknown metal alloys shimmered with a soft blue light. Robert measured the energy flow with his device. This energy, it's unlike anything we've seen on Earth. It seems connected to the planet's core itself. Lily examined ancient symbols. These symbols could be a form of Martian language. Our nanobots might interact, but first we must understand them. James deployed a swarm of nanobots toward the energy source. The bots formed a glowing blue network across the metal surfaces. Orion analyzed the data and warned, energy unstable. Overload risk detected. Controlled intervention recommended. Enemy approaches. Meanwhile, Earth scavengers noticed the colony's new territories. Kael and Lyra led their group in observation. Torr hid behind sand dunes with his massive arms. Michael monitored their movements with observation drones. They're approaching, but they don't know we're aware, Michael reported. James ordered, be ready. Direct defense systems and nanobots toward the energy sources. Lily, protect the agricultural fields and colony modules. First contact. Kael and Lyra reached the colony's perimeter. Tensions rose during first contact, but James' strategic decisions prevented a clash, opening a brief diplomatic exchange. Kael said, we only want to study these secrets. We escaped Earth and need to survive. James looked carefully. Mars cannot be controlled by groups like yours. But we can cooperate, if you prove trustworthy. Lyra studied the nanobots, nodding in astonishment. This technology could be valuable for us. Cooperation makes sense. New energy source. The colony team descended deeper into the ancient Martian ruins. A massive energy source glowed, radiating light through metallic surfaces. Orion continuously analyzed data and reported potential risks. James said, this energy could strengthen Mars' atmosphere and our colony. But misuse could be catastrophic. Lily synchronized the nanobots with the energy source. After a small test, the energy flow stabilized. Crops grew faster, and energy modules operated at maximum efficiency. Mysterious events. The energy source wasn't just a technical system. Holographic messages from the ancient Martian civilization appeared. A figure bathed in blue light spoke. This energy is the heart of the planet. In the wrong hands, it could be destructive. Be careful, if humanity is to earn a second chance on Mars, the right choices must be made. James and Lily exchanged glances. Is it a warning or a message? Asked James. Could be both, Lily replied. But one thing is certain, this energy is safe only in the right hands. Internal decisions. New decisions were required within the colony. James took responsibility as leader. Lily oversaw agriculture and genetic projects. Robert and Emily optimized energy management. Michael and Andrew organized defense and robot operations. Ella, the psychologist, monitored mental health, stress, and anxiety. Orion controlled all systems and reported the smallest anomalies. Major threat. Kael and Lyra's group attempted to approach the energy source. Torr tried to breach the defense line. James quickly devised a strategy. Nanobot defenses were activated, laser turrets were prepared, and Orion optimized all systems. Kael shouted, "You cannot stop us." But Lily's biological defense system neutralized Torr. Seeing the nanobots' power, Lyra and Kael were forced to retreat. End of Part 2. New goals. After the conflict, the colony achieved a brief victory. But Mars still held unexplored and dangerous areas. James, Lily, and the team integrated the energy source into the colony's central systems. Crops flourished, energy modules reached maximum efficiency, and colonists felt secure. Orion quietly continued data analysis and reported to James. Commander, the energy source is now stable. But mysterious signals persist. James gazed at the sky. Our next objective, the depths of Mars and beyond.